Welcome back to another musket powder seasonings recipe. Today we're going to be making a smoked brisket. A full list of instructions will be available on our website musketpowder.com. Once trimmed properly, cover your brisket completely in musket powder brown label seasoning. Now it's time to move to the smoker. Smoke until the internal temperature has hit 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray with a 50-50 beer and apple cider vinegar mix to maintain moisture throughout the cook. About 6 hours in, or once a bark has properly formed, cover with tallow and wrap in butcher paper. This shoot was done over 2 days, so we also have reheating instructions available on our website, musketpowder.com. When it's done, it should look like this. We hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please check out our website, musketpowder.com, for more recipes.